Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can download NinjaTrader 8. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your browser, then go to Google. Then type download NinjaTrader. Choose the first one and click on get started. Now you have to type your email address here. So I will use this one. Paste and click on sign up. And as you can see here, confirm your email address. Okay, click on it, click confirm email address. Now you have to add a username and a password. Then after that, click on I have read and agree. Then click on create user. Then click on this one, not ready for a live account, start risk-free trial. Add your name here, your last name here, your country. So for me, it's Morocco. And add your phone number. Okay. Then after that, click on continue. Then click on download here. And click on this one. And as you can see here, NinjaTrader is downloading now. Okay, now click on it. Click next. I accept. Next. Next. Next again. Install. Then click on finish. Now go to your desktop. And as you can see here, we have NinjaTrader. So click on it and add here your username and add your password and click on login. Click on simulation and as you can see here, this is NinjaTrader. This is the chart. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.